Question number 1.
If James Harder last year, he would have passed the bar exam in New York City. A. Studies. B. Had studied. C. Studied.
Question number 2.
Elizabeth said she to Los Angeles before the lockdown began. A. Went. B. Had gone. C. Was going.
Question number 3.
Pierre is responsible organizing the annual conference in Paris. A. For. B. Of. C. About.
Question number 4.
Either the manager or the employees to submit the final report. A. Need. B. Needs. C. Needing.
Question number 5.
Robert plans to work hard, act honestly, and fairly. A. Treating. B. Treat. C. Treated.
Question number 6.
If Sophia had taken the train, she at the museum by now in Berlin. A. Will be. B. Would be. C. Was.
Question number 7.
Matteo said he his laptop 2 days before it crashed. A. Had bought. B. Bought. C. Buys.
Question number 8.
Chloe is capable solving complex design problems in Melbourne. A. To. B. Of. C. In.
Question number 9.
Neither the coaches nor the players happy with the referee's decision. A. Was. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 10.
Liam enjoys surfing, swimming, and along the coast of Sydney. A. Relax. B. Relaxing. C. Relaxed.
Question number 11.
If Robert had driven carefully, he in that accident in Houston. A. Wouldn't be. B. Wouldn't have been. C. Wasn't.
Question number 12.
Elizabeth said she her notes before the test started. A. Reviews. B. Had reviewed. C. Has reviewed.
Question number 13.
Sophia felt proud her team's performance in Rome. A. About. B. For. C. Of.
Question number 14.
One of the students not completed the essay yet. A. Have. B. Has. C. Are.
Question number 15.
Finn jogs, eats healthy meals, and early every day in Perth. A. Sleeps. B. Sleeping. C. Sleep.
Question number 16.
If James had known about the delay, he's still waiting in New York. A. Wouldn't be. B. Won't be. C. Isn't.
Question number 17.
Pierre said he the old files before leaving the office. A. Deleted. B. Has deleted. C. Had deleted.
Question number 18.
Chloe apologized missing the meeting yesterday. A. To. B. For. C. At.
Question number 19.
Neither the teachers nor the principal aware of the issue. A. Were. B. Was. C. Be.
Question number 20.
Liam stretches, meditates, and before work each morning. A. Exercise. B. Exercising. C. Exercises.
Question number 21.
If Elizabeth had listened to advice, she more confident today. A. Will feel. B. Would feel. C. Felt.
Question number 22.
Matteo mentioned that he'd the flight to Paris the day before. A. Missed. B. Had missed. C. Was missing.
Question number 23.
Robert is afraid speaking in front of a large crowd. A. To. B. Of. C. From.
Question number 24.
Either the cats or the dog making that noise. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 25.
Chloe loves cooking, gardening, and on weekends. A. Reading. B. Read. C. Reads.
Question number 26.
If Pierre had invested earlier, he earning profits by now. A. Is. B. Would be. C. Will be.
Question number 27.
Sophia said she to Italy before meeting Matteo. A. Travels. B. Had traveled. C. Has traveled.
Question number 28.
James is interested joining the debate club. A. In. B. To. C. About.
Question number 29.
Neither the coffee nor the muffins fresh this morning. A. Were. B. Was. C. Are.
Question number 30.
Finn enjoys hiking, fishing, and in the outback. A. Camped. B. Camping. C. Camp.
Question number 31.
If Sophia had saved more money, she traveling now. A, will be. B, would be. C, is.
Question number 32.
Elizabeth said she and before the meeting. A, met. B, had met. C, was meeting.
Question number 33.
Robert is famous his role in community service in Houston. A, for. B, of. C, at.
Question number 34.
One of the professors writing a new research paper. A, are. B, is. C, were.
Question number 35.
Chloe wants to save, travel, and her own business. A, created. B, create. C, creating.
Question number 36.
If Liam had studied architecture, he equals a designer today. A, will be. B, would be. C, is.
Question number 37.
Matteo said he the invitation before leaving Rome. A, sends. B, sent. C, had sent.
Question number 38.
Sophia is capable managing complex international projects. A, for. B, to. C, of.
Question number 39.
Neither the players nor the coach satisfied with the result. A, are. B, was. C, were.
Question number 40.
Robert described the concert as rhythmic, emotional, and inspiring. A, deeply. B, deep. C, deepness.
Question number 41.
If Elizabeth had applied earlier, she working in Los Angeles now. A, is. B, would be. C, was.
Question number 42.
Liam said he the tickets before the show started. A, had booked. B, booked. C, books.
Question number 43.
Pierre is fond exploring new cuisines in Paris. A, in. B, of. C, at.
Question number 44.
Either the pen or the paper's missing from the table. A, are. B, is. C, were.
Question number 45.
Sophia walks, swims, and every evening in Berlin. A, cycles. B, cycling. C, cycle.
Question number 46.
If Finn had taken the job offer, he living in Sydney today. A. Is. B. Would be. C. Was.
Question number 47.
Chloe said her password before the account was locked. A. Had changed. B. Changed. C. Was changing.
Question number 48.
Elizabeth felt excited starting her new project in Los Angeles. A. About. B. To. C. Of.
Question number 49.
Neither the boss nor the assistants available right now. A. Are. B. Was. C. Is.
Question number 50.
Liam described the meal as flavorful, colorful, and presented. A. Beautifully. B. Beautiful. C. Beauty.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.